The article from McKinsey explores the complexities and challenges faced by semiconductor companies in achieving leading-edge capabilities in design and manufacturing. It outlines the significant technological advancements driving the industry, such as the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, 5G, and the Internet of Things, IoT, which have increased demand for more powerful and efficient semiconductor chips. Key points include the importance of collaboration between design and manufacturing teams, the need for innovation in chip architecture and manufacturing processes, and the critical role of talent development and retention. The article emphasizes the necessity for semiconductor companies to adapt to rapidly evolving technologies and market demands to maintain competitiveness in the industry. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my content and want to be notified, please subscribe to my channel. This will help me build more such contents.